everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with MK channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again today.
How are you today, Adam?
I'm doing great, thank you. I went to the supermarket this morning, so I already feel very productive.
Really? That's wonderful. I also went shopping today.
Oh, nice. Then today's topic is perfect.
Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to share this lesson with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much, everyone. Your support helps us a lot.
It really does. So, Olivia, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are learning English at the supermarket.
Ah, supermarkets. A very important place in daily life.
Exactly. We all go to the supermarket to buy food and other things.
And it's a great place to practice English in real life.
Yes. Okay, Adam, let's imagine we are at the supermarket now.
Sounds fun.
First, when you enter the supermarket, what do you usually take?
I usually take a shopping cart.
Me too. Sometimes I take a basket if I only need a few things.
Good idea. A basket is easier for small shopping trips.
Okay, Adam, what is the first thing you usually buy?
I usually buy fruits and vegetables first.
Healthy choice.
Thank you. I often buy apples, bananas, tomatoes, and potatoes.
Nice. I love bananas. They are easy and delicious.
Me too. What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots, cucumbers, and onions.
Oh, onions are very useful for cooking.
They really are.
Olivia, do you like shopping in busy supermarkets?
Not really. Sometimes there are too many people.
I understand completely. Long lines can be stressful.
Yes, especially when I am tired after work.
Same here.
Do you usually go shopping alone or with someone?
Most of the time, I go alone. It's faster that way.
Really? I like shopping with friends sometimes.
Why?
Because we can talk, laugh, and help each other choose things.
That sounds fun. But sometimes friends make shopping very long.
That is true.
Should I buy this or this?
And then 30 minutes later, still no decision.
Exactly.
Okay, Adam. After fruits and vegetables, where do you go next?
I usually go to the bakery section.
Oh, wow. I love fresh bread.
Me too. The smell is amazing.
It really is. Do you buy cakes too?
Sometimes, especially on weekends.
That sounds nice.
What about you? What do you usually buy at the bakery?
I usually buy bread and sometimes cookies.
Cookies are dangerous.
Why dangerous?
Because I eat too many.
That's funny.
It's true.
Okay, everyone. Let's practice together.
Great idea.
Repeat after us. I need a shopping cart.
I need a shopping cart.
Where is the bread section?
Where is the bread section?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Wonderful job, everyone.
Very good.
Okay, Adam. What do you usually drink?
I usually drink water, tea, and orange juice.
Healthy again.
I try my best.
I also like orange juice. And sometimes I buy coffee.
Coffee is very important in the morning.
Very, very important.
Without coffee, I feel sleepy all day.
Same here.
Olivia, do you make a shopping list before going to the supermarket?
Yes, always.
Really? That's organized.
Thank you. If I don't make a list, I forget things.
That happens to me too.
Sometimes I go to buy milk
and come home without milk.
That is so funny.
It happens more often than you think.
I once bought ice cream, chips, and chocolate, but forgot bread.
That sounds like a fun shopping trip.
Maybe not a healthy one.
True.
Olivia, what is the most expensive thing you buy at the supermarket?
Probably coffee.
Really?
Yes, good coffee can be expensive.
That's true. Some chocolate is expensive too.
But still delicious.
Very delicious.
Okay, everyone, let's practice some useful supermarket questions.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Do you have fresh bread?
Do you have fresh bread?
Excellent job, everyone.
You're doing great.
Adam, what is your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket?
Honestly, snacks.
Really?
Yes, chips, cookies, chocolate.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I love buying fruit and yogurt.
Very healthy again.
I try my best too.
That's great.
Okay, Adam, I think today's conversation was very useful.
I think so too. We learned many real-life English phrases today.
Yes, supermarket English is very important for daily life.
And remember, everyone, simple English is good English.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to practice.
Even small practice every day can help you improve.
Very true.
And now, we have a question for you.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Write your answer in simple English in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And we will see you again very soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.